guys, this is Jack Leeson with MajorLeagueTrading.com, and I am going to be doing a video on how to create a flexible grid using the ThinkOrSwim software and the benefits of that. Obviously, first things you need are a ThinkOrSwim account, and if you do already have that, great. If you don't, go to MajorLeagueTrading.com, click Preferred Broker, and sign up for one. Okay, good. Done that step. Cool. So once you log into your platform, there's your charts, etc. And in this case, when you click charts here, we can go to regular charts, or we can go to what's called a flexible grid. And that's what I have up here right now. Now, regular charts, everything is going to be, side by side. It'll have to be in multiples of 2, so even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. Versus a flexible grid, I can have 1 on top, 3 on the bottom, 2 on top, 4 on the bottom, so on and so forth. So let me show you exactly how to go about adding a flexible grid and creating one, and how I use it. So one of the biggest things I love about a flexible grid is just watching every time frame for every market at the same time. So we have the USD JPY. Now, how do I get the USD JPY on every single one of these charts without typing it in individually? Well, I build a watch list in ThinkOrSwim, and then I connect that watch list to my chart. So the way to connect that is by clicking the same color right here, right next to your ticker box. There'll be options, and pick any color you'd like. But if I click purple, go over here, link purple, go over here, link purple, so on and so forth. And then I go to my watch list and make that purple as well. So we've done that. And as soon as we've done that, I can quickly scan every market that I want to pay attention to on multiple time frames. So it's pulling up every market that I want to pay attention to on multiple time frames, which is super valuable. So in order to pick how many grids you want, now I have the top one's a 5-minute. I can switch that back and forth by just going up here and changing the time frame. Then I increase the time, so I go from 5-minute, hour, 4-hour, daily, because I want to be aware of resistance on every one of these time frames. So if I go up here, there's like a square looking box thing, and then click Customize Grid. What that will do is it'll pull up these options. And I'll show you what these options are. This square button with a plus, I can add another chart. If I want to add that other chart, I'm going to go in here, connect that to purple. That brings it up in USD JPY. Say I want to make this a 30-minute chart. Boom. I can make this a 1-hour chart. Boom. But what if I only want one off top? So I just click this X button, and then say I'm not interested in having the sidebar. So this sidebar here, which has your active trader times and sales, big buttons, etc. To me, that just takes up space because I'm just looking to do charting, and then I'll trade on a different execution section, but I'm just looking to do charting here. So I'll get rid of that sidebar and do that. Now, if I want to add a market below, I could go like this. Okay, you see how that pops up, that market below? Don't want to get rid of it. Want it to the side? Don't want to get rid of it. Want it beneath? Boom. Okay, so on and so forth. Oops, I just totally got rid of it. Oh, I got rid of the wrong one. That's what happened. Turn this back to purple. And then when I'm done, I go back up here, uncheck this Customize Grid button. That gets rid of those boxes. And then go ahead and save your flexible grid. You save that flexible grid, you can put in, name it whatever you'd like. And then at any point in time, you can load up that grid. Okay, you can load up that grid, and I use it and load it up with this indicator I have called the MLT pinch. And you're more than welcome to change the time frames how you want to view, but it's a very good, quick, easy way to load up and choose how you want to view the market at multiple time frames. So make sure to save it, load it up at any point in time. And then there was one more thing. Oh yeah, I want to show you how to detach this. Go up here, top right, you can click Detach, and that'll bring up another window with another flexible grid, and then you can change those settings as well. So I hope this video helps. Should show you how to set up a flexible grid. Everybody take care, and I'll see you guys in some of my next lessons.